Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Medium Partner Program for reader-friendly UI, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the Medium website in your preferred browser. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down the settings page until you find the Medium Partner Program section. Click on the Join the Partner Program button. Read the eligibility criteria and program overview carefully. After reviewing, click the I agree checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Next, click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be prompted to fill out your payment information. Enter your payment details to ensure you can earn money for your stories. After entering your payment information, click on Save to confirm. Review your account settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email from Medium. Check your email for the confirmation message and follow any additional instructions provided. Once confirmed, you are officially a member of the Medium Partner Program. Now you can start publishing stories and earning money based on engagement. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with the reader-friendly UI. Start writing and sharing your insights with a wider audience today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.